Hello everyone, we are back with another video. In this video, I will tell you about how to install burp suite in your Kali Linux virtual machine. It is very easy and I will show you practically how you can install. As I have already done something, so I will show you step by step. Let's start. First, you need to come here on Firefox browser. You need to open your Firefox browser and I want to show you something like I want to show you something. Here you can see that here you can search anything. Let me search YouTube. You need to search YouTube and you can see that you can easily access YouTube here. Okay, so you can easily access YouTube as I think I have internet issue. You can easily access YouTube. So let me take you the important setting which we need to make. Click on setting in Firefox browser, open settings and search about proxy. Click on settings, proxy settings. Here you will see that I have clicked manual proxy configuration and I have added this IP address and I have added this port number. So let me take you this IP address. You need to search loop back IP address. Here comes the point. It is saying that the proxy server is refusing connection. So what does it mean? It was actually this. I haven't. Here you can let me remove this proxy IP address. Let me remove this IP address and show you the magic. And let me show you the magic. Yes. So click on this. Okay. Now I'm again going to search loop back IP address. Here you can see that I can easily access this loopback IP address. What does that mean? Here you can see that we have this page. After changing that setting, we have this page. Here comes the very important point again. What I have done, actually, let's be back at here, Kali Linux. You need to click on applications and you need to search burp suite, and you need to click on this. This is actually our video about burp suite, how we can install and integrate burp suite in our browser at Kali Linux. So click on this. What you need to do, you need to just click on OK, next and start. You need to do each and everything. Okay, so let me show you again. It is taking some time. This is very simple procedure. And for your reminder, if you want to learn cybersecurity practically, you can watch my course. I have recorded two, 3 videos practically. You can find link in the description. You need to click on OK, and here is the dashboard of burp suite. Okay, what you need to do, you need to click on this proxy, and you need to click on proxy settings. Here you can see that we have the same proxy here and it is checked 127.00.1 port number 8080. Now come back to our Firefox browser. Here you can see that we have this loopback IP address. This is called loopback IP address. You need to copy this and you need to open Firefox settings again. Firefox setting, and you need to search proxy. You need to search proxy and you need to click on this manual proxy configuration, and here HTTP proxy, you need to paste this proxy and you need to make port number 8080. Okay, and you also need to check this, also use this proxy for HTTPs, and you need to click OK. Okay, so we have done everything. Now if you see here, you can search anything like burp suite. We can search. Now you can see that we can search each and everything here. And the very important thing, one more thing, as I have already uploaded that certificate, what you need to do, you need to Again, come on the settings, manage more settings, search certificates, click on view certificates, and after clicking, you need to click on import. And which file you need to upload, you need to click here and you need to search http semicolon burp suite. You need to click this and you need to click here installing burps ca certificate. I will also mention the link in the description. So after installing, downloading this, you need to click on import file, and here you can see that we have this certificate here. You will also find the same certificate CACERT. Okay, I have already uploaded this certificate. So after adding proxy, if your burp suite is not working well or Firefox is not working well, you need to upload this certificate. Okay, so after uploading, you need to click OK, and finally your burp suite is now integrated with your Firefox browser. Okay, so we have this options, and the important thing, you need to click on proxy setting and you need to open this. Okay, you don't need to close this. Okay, open this, always open this. Okay, so this is all about our today's video. If you want to learn more about cybersecurity, you need to click on my course link in the description, and we have learned about burp suite in this video. If you have any question, you can ask your question in the comment section. And if you think we have done a good job in this video and we have successfully transmitted our knowledge to you how to use and download burp suite, then you can click on the like button. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button so that you can never miss my upcoming videos. See you soon. Bye bye.